जय भद्रकाली सरकार, जय भद्रकाली, जय भद्रकाली.
Ever wondered how it would be to traverse the 10th dimension? To begin understanding this, let's start from the very basics. Picture a single dot. This represents the 0th dimension, a point in space with no length, width, or height. Now, draw a line from this point to another. Congratulations, you've just created the first dimension, a world of length, but no width or height. Take that line, draw another perpendicular to it, and you've entered the second dimension, a flat plane with length and width, but no depth, like a drawing on a piece of paper. Now imagine pulling that flat drawing upwards. You've created a cube, a figure with length, width, and height. Welcome to the third dimension, the world as we humans know it. We perceive time as the fourth dimension, moving along this timeline from past to present to future. But what if we told you there are more dimensions beyond these? Intriguing, isn't it? Did you know that string theory proposes the existence of not 3 or 4, but 10 dimensions? Yes, that's right, 10 dimensions, each more complex and abstract than the one before. Let's begin our journey to higher dimensions with the 5th one. Imagine a reality where every single possible outcome of your decisions exists simultaneously. This is the concept of the 5th dimension, a realm of infinite possibilities. It's like an endless tree branching out with each decision you make, creating a new universe for each possible outcome, moving on to the 6th dimension. It is where we can compare and contrast all these parallel universes that start with the same initial conditions. In other words, it's a plane where all possible worlds that begin with the same Big Bang are found. Now, let's delve into the 7th dimension. Here, we can access worlds with different initial conditions. It's a realm where different universes with different laws of physics exist. It's like flipping a switch and finding yourself in a universe where gravity pulls you sideways instead of down. Next, we have the 8th dimension. It's a plane that gives us a panorama of all possible worlds, starting with different initial conditions. It's like standing on a hilltop and viewing all the different landscapes that exist, each with its unique set of laws. The 9th dimension is where things get really abstract. It's a world of worlds, a collection of all possible universes, starting with all possible initial conditions and laws of physics. It's akin to being in a library where each book represents a different universe, each with its unique storyline and rules. These dimensions, while not directly observable, play a crucial role in theoretical physics. They help us understand the fundamental nature of the universe and allow us to theorize about the possibilities beyond our three-dimensional world. They are the hidden threads that weave the fabric of reality, painting a picture far more complex and fascinating than we could ever imagine. And now, the one you've all been waiting for, the 10th dimension. Imagine a realm where every possible outcome, every possible universe, and every possible state of existence is real. Welcome to the 10th dimension. The 10th dimension is a mind-bending concept that transcends our common understanding of space and time. It's not just a place where all possibilities exist, but also where all possible laws of physics are at play. This includes laws we understand and experience in our three-dimensional world, as well as those that could exist in other dimensions, or even laws that we haven't even fathomed yet. But let's take a step back and think about this. How can we possibly conceive of a dimension that holds all possible universes? Well, it's a bit like imagining a library that contains every book ever written and every book that could possibly be written. In this vast library, each book represents a unique universe with its own set of laws and outcomes. This library, in its entirety, is what we refer to as the 10th dimension. Now, you might be wondering, how can we have different laws of physics in different universes? Isn't physics a universal truth? In our three-dimensional world, yes. But when we venture into the realm of higher dimensions, things get a bit more complicated. Just as the rules of a chess game change when you move from a two-dimensional board to a three-dimensional one, the laws of physics can also change when you shift from one dimension to another. But the 10th dimension isn't just about different universes with different laws of physics. It's also about different timelines. In this dimension, every possible outcome of every possible event in every possible universe exists. This isn't just a matter of what-if scenarios. It's about all conceivable what-is realities. Think of it this way. In our three-dimensional world, we experience one timeline. We move from the past through the present into the future. But in the 10th dimension, all timelines exist simultaneously. It's like being able to see every moment of your life, every decision you've made, every path you could have taken all at once. Now, this might feel overwhelming. It's like trying to read every book in our imaginary library at the same time. But remember, we're dealing with a dimension that is beyond our human comprehension. It's a dimension where the very concept of time as we understand it may not apply. So, what does this all mean? It means that the 10th dimension is a realm of infinite possibilities. It's a place where every possible universe, every possible set of laws, every possible outcome, and every possible state of existence is real. It's a place where everything that can be is. In essence, the 10th dimension is a point of infinite possibilities. So, what does the existence of the 10th dimension mean for us? This question takes us into a realm where our conventional understanding of reality is challenged and stretched beyond its limits. The idea of the 10th dimension is not just a scientific curiosity, but it has profound implications on our understanding of the universe. If the 10th dimension exists, it shatters our perceptions of reality and our place in the cosmos. We are no longer mere inhabitants of a three-dimensional world, but we are part of a universe that is far more intricate and complex than we ever imagined. Our understanding of the universe has always been evolving. Once, we believed the Earth was the center of the universe. Then, we discovered that we are just one planet orbiting one star in a galaxy of billions of stars. Now, with the concept of the 10th dimension, we are on the brink of another paradigm shift. We are not just part of a universe, but potentially a multiverse with infinite possibilities. The 10th dimension could answer fundamental questions about the nature of the universe. It could potentially explain the mysteries of dark matter and dark energy, the enigmatic substances that make up the majority of our universe but have so far eluded detection. It could also shed light on the nature of time, which remains one of the most complex and misunderstood concepts in physics. The 10th dimension also challenges us to rethink the concept of reality itself. If multiple dimensions exist, then there could be multiple realities as well. This means that our reality is just one among countless others, each with its own laws of physics and its own history. In the end, the implications of the 10th dimension are as mind-boggling as the dimension itself. It opens up a universe of infinite possibilities, quite literally. It forces us to rethink our understanding of reality and our place in it. It prompts us to ask questions that we never thought to ask before. And perhaps most importantly, it reminds us of how much we still have to learn about our universe and ourselves. The 10th dimension, thus, opens up a universe of infinite possibilities, quite literally. Our journey through the 10th dimension has been a mind-bending trip, hasn't it? As we ventured into the realm of the abstract and the unexplored, we have seen what it means to truly delve into the enigma of dimensions. We began with the familiar, the three dimensions we inhabit: length, breadth, and height. We then ascended into the fourth dimension, time, which allowed us to journey through our past, present, and future. But our exploration didn't stop there. We further climbed into the higher dimensions, each more abstract than the last, each providing a new perspective on our existence. The fifth to the ninth dimensions, though complex and abstract, were but stepping stones to our final destination, the 10th dimension. Here, we found a point of infinite possibilities, an all-encompassing realm that holds every possible and imaginable scenario, a realm where all the potential outcomes of our choices, all the different timelines of our existence, coexist simultaneously. The 10th dimension is not just a concept, but a testament to the limitless potential of our universe. It redefines our understanding of reality, challenging our perception of linearity and determinism. It suggests that our universe is not a single, unique sequence of events, but a collection of countless realities, each as real as the next. The implications of the 10th dimension are profound. It opens up a world of infinite possibilities, where every decision, every chance, every moment branches off into a new reality. It invites us to question our place in the universe, to reevaluate our understanding of reality, and to reflect on the endless possibilities that lie before us. So, as we conclude our journey, let's take a moment to marvel at the beauty of this concept, to appreciate the complexity and richness of our universe, and to continue questioning, exploring, and pushing the boundaries of our understanding. So the next time someone asks you about the 10th dimension, you can confidently say, it's where all possibilities exist.
जय भद्रकाली सरकार, जय भद्रकाली, जय भद्र